the racism thing. It is so sad to see the racist card still being played so constantly in the world, especially by the so-called lefties in the United Kingdom and in the United States of America. One would have thought that by now people know that God created only one race, namely the human race. However, that having been said, God does distinguish between two shades in people, namely, yes, black and white, but critically, God's definition of black and white is completely different to that of the world. God looks at our spirits and defines black as dark, i.e. people that are living in spiritual darkness and thus not emitting any of his loving light. And he defines in the spirit white as light, namely people who live in his truth and love and thus radiate out love and light. Next time, before we want to pull out the race card, we need to first ask God if our actions will suck light out of the world or if it will radiate light into the world. And then we need to wait until he responds before making the decision by ourselves. That's it. For God so loves the world, namely the human race, irrespective of ethnicity, irrespective of culture, irrespective of sex, irrespective of skin color, and on I can go. God so loves the human race. Only question we have to ask is, are we living in darkness or in light? Are we stifling out light or are we radiating out light to our neighbors, to our communities, to the ones we should be loving? Thank you. If you are interested in other similar videos, you can look on the Truth Merchant channel on YouTube. For those not familiar on how to find a channel in YouTube, start with the Google web browser, type in youtube.com and that will take you to the YouTube page. The YouTube page has its own search bar. Type in at the Truth Merchant -M4V, all lowercase, no spaces, and then you should find a screen that looks something like that. And sometimes you might immediately find also the channel, the T there, for the Truth Merchant channel. But if it's not there, you will have to go to the filter, and the filter is found on the far right hand side of this menu bar. And sometimes it doesn't say filter, there's only 3 little dots there. But if you click on that, that will bring you to another screen with some columns coming down like this. So you find the column that's with the heading type, click on channel, and that then should take you to the Truth Merchant channel. So thank you again. As at the end of September 2025, these are the videos that I have posted. They might still be there if YouTube has not by any chance cancelled any of them. Thank you. Goodbye.